Complete machining. Complete machining means machining all round in comprehensive operations. The complete workpiece is produced on a single machine. Sawing, profiling, end work, drilling, sanding, every single contour. Save time. 2 workstations reduce unproductive times to the absolute minimum. While the work continues on one station, the tool is changed automatically on the other. Efficiency. 2 tool magazines with all the necessary tools allow the work to continue without interruption. Conturex means higher productivity. Save space, personnel, material, and most importantly, time. Manpower combined with machine intelligence. Any job can now be completed quickly by just one person. Small lot sizes become profitable. Conturex is easy to operate. Every job, no matter how small, can be handled quickly and flexibly. Just click onto the workpieces and production can start. A new dimension in chucking. Vinic's patented clamping system. The machine clamp copies the function of the human hand, with sensational advantages for production. Working safely on 2 tables without fixtures. Accurate positioning for workpieces for maximum precision. Even small parts can be produced without fixtures. And this is how it works. While the workpiece in Station 2 is still being machined, the tool in Station 1 is changed without losing time. Back to Station 1, this time to machine the underside of the workpiece. With 2 tables, every contour can be cut on either station. The clamping system also ensures maximum precision throughout, even when reclamping, as the workpiece is firmly grasped in exactly the right place. A name full of promise. Conturex machines workpieces all round in the shortest possible space of time. It produces exactly what is needed in outstanding quality. Here it is, the latest production technology from Vinik. CNC controlled for accurate positioning and fast. Every single point accurately machined. Safe and easy to operate. Fully enclosed for dust and noise control. Complete machining with 2 stations and power grip. The new clamping system from Vinik. Unbeatable for your all-round production.